Hi guys, it's Yoli. Welcome back. I have a 3-month update on this hair for you guys. This hair, just to remind you, is from Queen Weave Beauty. It is their light Yaki straight hair, which is a hair that basically mimics natural hair straightened. Today, I'm just gonna come and give you guys some, a little bit of the experience I had with the hair over the last 3 months. Just so you know, I did make it in a wig form. So honestly, it was a wearing on and off within these last 3 months. We just actually made it past 3 months, so how exciting. The hair is keeping up pretty great. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, you can see for yourself, like, this is the hair after I washed it yesterday, and I did not put a flat iron to it. I didn't put anything on it, and this is the result of, you know, that. And this is how it turned out. So I didn't purposefully not flat iron it or anything like that, or curl it. I actually wanted to curl it for you guys so you guys can see how it holds a curl, but because I'm in Jamaica, I didn't have anything. I didn't have a flat iron or a hot comb or anything with me currently. But that leads me to this. Why do I have this on? You know, is there something wrong with the frontal? No, the frontal is actually fine, except for, I think I mentioned in the first video how there's when I first got the closure, like there was a part that was, because it was a free part closure, it laid funny. So because I just washed the hair, it kind of just pops back up, where it just kind of lays not super flat. And so I'm gonna take it off to show you guys, so you guys know that there's nothing wrong with the frontal itself. But because I didn't have the flat iron, what I usually would do was use the hot comb or flat iron to flatten it down so it just matches everything else. But because I just washed it and I don't have those materials, see what it looks like? Okay, it ain't horrible. It ain't horrible, all right? But like, you can kind of see on this side that this side is a little bit more risen than that side. So that's kind of why I have the headscarf on. And it was also cute with the headscarf, wasn't it? I wanted to show y'all versatility and style, you know? So I'm gonna actually put this back on because, you know, I also am trying to get it as flat as possible. So because I don't have a flat iron and stuff, I had to resort in doing something else. I had to figure out an alternative way to like flatten it. So this is basically doing that job. So I'm gonna, okay, yes. So back to this hair. So I've had it for over 3 months now. I've worn it on and off because, you know, it's made in a wig form. So that's actually what I wanted to do, was like have alternatives, right? So whenever I wanted straight hair, I would opt to this hair. It's been pretty great, guys. Like, I'm not gonna hold you, like, not much has changed from like my thoughts on the first video where I'm like, hey, it's doing great. The only thing I would say is different is that, of course, over time the hair began to shed more, but not crazy. So if I can show you, I brushed it, and like, if you can see, so that came out after me brushing it. Washing, I don't necessarily get a lot of shedding while washing, maybe a few strands. But for the most part, it's pretty decent. It's not like the hair falls. Let me see. Okay, so there's a couple strands, but definitely work wittable, you know? It's not too bad. Your girl is sweating. I had to turn off the fan because it was too loud in the video, and the wind in the back is acting up as well, and the birds chirping. So, like I said, I'm in Jamaica living. So, yes, basically I had a good time with the hair. Because I worn it on and off, that did affect the longevity of the hair. So it's 3 months, but it kind of still looks how it looked as soon as I got it, because I did keep it in a safe space, as well as, you know, I wouldn't flat iron it every time I used it. I wouldn't necessarily have to. The only thing I really had to mess with was the top area with flattening the closure so it kind of matched everything else. But other than that, like, it was cool. I didn't also get to curl it. Like, I'm so simple, guys. Like, I'll get the hair and this is what it's gonna get. I wanted the straight hair, you got straight. Okay, so I got the hair Yaki, light Yaki. I think it was 18, 20, 22 inches. So yeah, it is a good time. Because it is summertime though, it is very like sticky on my skin. Like, I actually currently cut all my hair off, so there's nothing under here, you know. And because of that, you know, it's been an easier summer for me, but putting this hair and wearing this hair again, I'm like, all right. But it does provide variety, you know what I mean? And like a different energy, you know? I think it works out that because it's already straightened hair, you don't have to worry about it fluffing back up or reverting in humidity or when you're going swimming or anything like that. Like, I didn't have to bring a flat iron. And I think that is a big pro of the hair, is like taking this hair on vacation and not necessarily needing a flat iron. If you're interested in light Yaki, something that matches your texture a little, at least when it's straightened, I would suggest this hair. It's held up pretty well for me, and it's given me versatility within like my hair range. Which I thoroughly enjoyed. I've always loved the hair from Queen With Beauty, you guys know that, and I don't feel any different than I did the first video, basically. Would I recommend this hair? I would. I actually would. I got a lot of compliments while wearing it. I was able to do a few different looks with it. I do want to curl it. It's just, you know, it's just a habit of mine. It's like, I don't be fucking with the hair too much. I just be kind of letting it do what it does. Thank you guys for tuning in and listening to me talk about this Queen With Beauty like Yaki. If you have any further questions, just let me know, and you know, I'll go ahead and try to get that to you. All right, thank you guys.